Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about 6 different grant opportunities. The deadlines are quickly approaching, so you definitely want to watch the entire video so that you can quickly apply for these grant opportunities before the doors close. We have $100,000 grant opportunities, $60,000 grant opportunities, $25,000 grant opportunities, $5,000 grant opportunities, and more. So watch the entire video. Over $100,000 total in grant opportunities. So watch the entire video from start to finish. And if you want to see more videos about all things business, all things finance when it comes to business grants, business credit, learning different things about entrepreneurship, making money online, and building credit, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, if you want to get over 200 done for you business grant opportunities for all different types of businesses, there is going to be a link in the description box below where you can actually get access to this. It's going to come with training. It's going to come with a grant proposal template. It's going to show you how to hire grant writers to help you win grants and more. So link will be down in the description box below for you to get access to this. You get instant access right after you purchase. So we're gonna start with the grants that close the soonest. This one closes on June 26th. 2023. This is brought to you by the Founders First CDC Innovation Empower Small Business Expansion. This one is for Pennsylvania and New Jersey. They have a total of $100,000 to give out to 25 small businesses. Also, this organization does have other grant programs that are regional and nationwide. So you can keep an eye out on their website when they open up their other programs. So in addition to the funds that are going to be given out, they are also offering an accelerator program scholarship as a part of their mission to provide continued education. All grant recipients will receive a scholarship to a Founders First accelerator program. Now, this is what you're going to need in order to apply. You're going to need to have a profit and loss statement. You're going to need to have, of course, your business description as well as the application. And then you also have to do a short pitch video as well, stating why you need the grant and how you're going to use the grant. Also, you will need to be either Latinx, Asian, Black, or the other, or fit into any of these other categories here. Also, you have to be for profit organization. Revenue has to be at least 100,000 all the way up to 5 million. No more than or no less than 2 employees on staff. Also, you need to have the ability to add 1 to 2 premium wage jobs within the next 12 months. So this is the 2023 PA/New Jersey Job Creators Quest Grant. And here is the application here. So that's it for that particular grant program. Also, like I said, they have other programs here. If you click on grants, you're gonna see regional grants for Chicago, Texas, Southern California, of course, Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and then the Twin Cities. And then they also have 3 other grant programs that are national. So the next program is going to be the Female Founder Collective. So this grant is for female founded businesses. This is a $10,000 grant opportunity. So here are some of the eligibility requirements. So of course you have to have a United States registered business. You have to demonstrate qualifiable impact in solutions for mothers, children, and or families. Applicants must be verified founders of the business, of course 18 years old or older, and you must have a business that is service or product based. So that service or that product can be geared towards mothers, children, and or families. So you'll receive a $10,000 grant if you do receive the grant, if you are selected, as well as one-on-one free access to the 10th House, which is their membership platform for meaningful connections, as well as highly vetted resources, one-on-one mentorship with the co-founders and the founder of both the Female Founder Collective and Boss Beauties. Also, you're going to receive 10 hours of marketing support from Boss Beauties team over the course of a year. And so the winners are announced on June 30th, 2023. All right, so the third grant opportunity is the Cartier Women's Initiative. This one also closes on June 30th at 6 p.m. Central. This one is geared towards diversity, equality, and inclusion. This is an award that is used to encourage entrepreneur solutions designed to close gaps of access, outcome, and opportunity for communities that have been underrepresented or underserved. So they have $100,000 grants, $60,000 grants, and $30,000 grants. So who is actually eligible to apply for this particular program? In order to be eligible, you would have to have a business offering products or services designed to close gaps of access, outcome, or opportunity for communities that have been underrepresented or underserved. Entrepreneurs across all sectors and geographies are encouraged to apply. So you also need to be a for-profit company. The business should have a proven business model and be in the initial phase of its development and growth. So you can be between 1 and 6 years of licensed/registered operations as of the date of the application. This means that the business applying to the 2024 edition must have been incorporated between June 2017 and June 2022. Also, you should have some type of revenue generated from your products or services for at least a year. It does not have a specific dollar amount that you have to have made. So you can technically, if you have been in business for just a year, you can still apply because you still are considered a startup. So this is a great opportunity for startups. Also, you can't have more than $2 million raised for your business. Also, the leadership or the founder or anyone in a leadership position must be the one to fill out the application. And again, the deadline is June 30th. So if you scroll down here to how to apply, read this thoroughly because they are looking for a resume, your business registration document, as well as your business's financial statement for the most recent fiscal year. Then also you will need to do a 1-minute video of yourself answering these questions. There are about 3 questions right here. And then the bottom part is optional. I'm assuming if you do the optional part, you're gonna have a greater chance of actually getting the grant. So that is it for the Cartier Women's Initiative. This is for anybody to apply for. This is not just for women. So again, their top grant is $100,000. Then they're giving $60,000 grants and $30,000 grants. So a great opportunity here. It doesn't take a lot of time to apply for these grants. So if you're serious about getting funding for your business, I know some people like to complain about, oh, it's a long application, but you have the potential of getting 6 figures for your business, or even 30,000 is the minimum. So the more grants that you apply for, the higher chance that you are selected to get these grants. Keep in mind, this is free money that you do not have to pay back. Only thing that you are spending is a little bit of time applying for these grants. And if you want more information on how to do grant proposals and more, there will be a link below in the description where you can get more grant opportunities as well as training and a grant proposal, and you get instant access to that information once you purchase. So the next opportunity is the famous Amos and NBCC Ingredients for Success initiative. They're giving out $50,000 grants to Black small business owners. Along with capital, winners will receive resources and tools provided by the NBCC to drive sustainable growth and success. So this is another huge opportunity to get a good amount of money to help your business. This is one of the previous winners here. She got a total of $150,000. This is also great for startups as well because they are prioritizing businesses who are less than 5 years old. The business owners or the business ownership has to be a minimum of 90% Black owned. Here are some of the 2022 winners of this particular program. And here is the timeline. So the deadline is going to be June 26th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. They're going to review the applications up until July 26th. And then they're going to announce the finalists was between July 26th and August 27th. And then the winners will be announced in August, or at the end of August, on the 28th. So again, this is free money that you do not have to pay back. It doesn't hurt to apply for as many grant opportunities as you possibly can, because this isn't a loan, it isn't credit. You do not have to pay this money back. You never know, you just might get one of these opportunities or more than one of these opportunities, and that could be just the boost that you need to start building that dream business. So the next grant opportunity is going to be the Power Forward Small Business Grant Opportunity, brought to you by the Celtics United, Vistaprint, and the NAACP. So I've talked about this grant opportunity many times. They have this grant opportunity open up periodically throughout the year. They are giving out $25,000 grants. You must have at least 2 employees, no more than 25 employees in the states, or you have to be based out of the states of either Maine, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Vermont, New Hampshire, or select areas of Connecticut. And then if you are in Connecticut, you have to see if it's going to be in one of these eligible zip codes, if your business is in one of these eligible zip codes. So applicants should be able to demonstrate the impact their small business has on their greater community and showcase that they intend to use the $25,000 grant, or how they intend to use the $25,000 grant. Deadline is June 30th, 2023, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So last but not least is the Comcast Rise grant opportunity. I've talked about this grant as well a few times on this channel. They do open up this grant program a couple times a year as well. The deadline for this one is going to be June 30th, 2023. Eligible small businesses in Baltimore, Detroit, and certain counties, as well as Memphis in Shelby County, Philadelphia in Philadelphia County, and Portland, Oregon, can apply for this Comcast Rise program. So the eligibility requirements are going to be on the official program rules page. So here is that page. There is no purchase necessary. In order to be eligible, you do have to be in one of those cities I just mentioned. Also, you have to be 18 years old or older. You have to be in operation for at least 3 years, and you have to have revenue that has been generated for at least 12 months prior to the program period. Unfortunately, if you are a nonprofit organization, part of the Chamber of Commerce, public or private education provider, church or religious organization, political advisor, any business related to growing, marketing, sales, distribution, or use of Mary Jane, or related projects, so on and so forth, are not eligible. You have to have less than 100 employees. So this one's a little strict because they also are not allowing any prior felony convictions, tax-related convictions, and also child support delinquency convictions, as well as other requirements listed here. If you scroll down to prizes, the grant amount is going to be $5,000, and they're giving this out to 500 business owners. So they're able to help more people. And you also will receive a TV commercial that'll be about 30 seconds, and you'll get to have that running for about 180 days. After that, your business will have the opportunity to purchase an extension. That's really good. Also, you get online business education for 12 months, consultations, technology makeover with Comcast Business Internet, so on and so forth. So this is a really good grant opportunity. You're able to get your business in front of Comcast users on TV, as well as courses and more. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, make sure that you like this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.